uplift all those who have been left behind by history and by society. Second, we are a national party. We are committed to maintain and extend the sovereign independence of Jamaica and by extension the rights of self-determination of all peoples. And also because we are a national party, we are open to all people and all classes who support our principles and who are patriotic and prepared to build a better Jamaica. Also, I want to say to all who are here, I want to say particularly to the environmentalists, that because we are a national party, we care about this piece of rock that has nurtured us, this place that we call Jamaica. Norman Manley led the movement for reforestation, and no one can care about what happens to the environment in Jamaica more than the governance of the People's National Parliament. We love this country which has given us life and nurtured us. Third, we are a democratic party. Our commitment to democracy means that, yes, we support the democratic institutions of the country. We believe in a vibrant parliament, even though sometimes we have to protest against unjust laws, like when we walked out last week because we could not support those measures. But we support a vibrant parliament, a proper electoral system. We support free and fair elections. But our commitment to deepening our democracy in this country must take us further than just a source of vote every 5 years. Important though that is. We want to see democracy embedded in every area of our national life. We want to see stronger communities organizing themselves through citizens associations, neighborhood watch, and the like. People at every level of the society must have the opportunity to participate in making the decisions which affect the quality of their lives. Put another way, we are a party that has always believed in participatory democracy. That is why our party supported establishing student councils in schools and universities. That's why we support student representation and school boards. That's why we have always defended local government institutions even when others would want to mash it up. And that is why we support cooperatives like the credit union movement. These basic principles of equality for all people, of patriotism and nationalism, and of democracy have served us well. And as a country and a party, we have established